Hello, welcome to Daily HTTP channel. I am Omid and today we are going to manage form submission with n8n so that we create a form and the information that users enter into the form is sent to our Telegram. This workflow can be useful for salespeople, help desk, teachers and anyone you can think of. So let's get started. First, we will log into our n8n address. If you haven't seen the previous parts, be sure to watch them first. After logging into the main page, we will create a new workflow and name it Repay Request Form. Let's first identify the form we want to design. We want to have a form that takes the person's first and last name and personal number along with the text of their request and send it to us into Telegram. Let's go to create a workflow, click on plus from the list that opens, click on form submission. Here we have two modes, test URL and production URL. The first mode is intended for the form test mode and the second mode is the final form address for users to use. For now, we'll leave the authentication section on none, which means that there is no need to authenticate to fill out the form and everyone can fill out the form. We will explain the basic mode in the next session. In the form title, we write the form title Repay Request, and if you have any explanation for the users, you can enter them in the description section. For example, we write you can submit your electronic device repair request here. To add a field to the form, we use the Add Form Element button and add a new field. In the field name section, we write the name and set the element type to text, and if it is necessary to enter it, we turn on the required field. We repeat the same for other fields and create them based on the required information. We click on Execute a step. It shows us a preview of the form. If it is OK, click on the Stop Listening and we return to the main form. Now it's time to add Telegram node. Search Telegram and select Send a text message and in the Credential to connect section, we add the previous account that we created in the previous section. We also enter the chat ID according to the previous session. And in the text section, we write a text that does not give an error, like hi. Now we click on Execute Previous Step from the left to open the form. Now we enter the information into the form and click Submit button and close the form. As you can see, the information is visible on the left side of our page. Now we need to customize the text that is going to be sent to Telegram. So first make sure that the fixed mode is selected in front of the text. And we click that the small button and at the bottom right to enlarge the page. In this section, we enter our custom text, like Repair Request Form, and in front of this phrase, we put name and family from the left in front of our text. We press Enter to go to the next line. Now we type with the personal number and in front of it we move the personal number field from the left and place it, and we press Enter to go to the next line. Here we type message, request message and put the repair request field in front of it, and at the end we type request date and put the submitted add field in front of it. So now we close this page and return to the main page. Click execute workflow and the form opens and we start entering information again, and we click submit the form. After the form is submitted, we go to Telegram and we see that the information we entered into the form has been sent as we specified. Just save the workflow and give the user production URL link that we said at the beginning to complete the process and make our workflow operational. I hope this tutorial is useful for you, and follow us for more tutorial, and be sure to tell us in the comment what other tutorial we should give you from n8n.